Hey Alpha, because you have been spending so much time taking care of that black crown of yours, here are some carefree hairstyles that take like 1 minute to make, but look really awesome nonetheless. This is Choudhary. We are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. So let's start this video with a low ponytail, as this is the first time I'm making it on screen and the second time I'm making it in my current lifetime. And I have to say, it is as simple as it gets. Just gather all your hair behind your neck and tie it with a rubber band. But while it is a really carefree hairstyle, it looks really generic. So let's pull some hair strands out and introduce some points of interest in the hairstyle. There, looks much better and much more carefree now. But we can actually make this swept back hairstyle look much better by simply converting this ponytail into a bun. And while you're free to choose any type of bun according to your own liking, I'm gonna go with a simple one here. Pulling out some hair strands again. And we are done. But of course, no hairstyle compilation video is ever complete without talking about half buns. And we can make a half bun look really carefree by simply making a messy bun without first gathering up the hair in a ponytail. Like this. By the way, I've done another man bun compilation video that you can watch right now by clicking on the top right corner. But as far as this hairstyle goes, we just need to pull out some hair strands around the hairline. And while doing that, keep in mind not to pull too many hair strands, as that can result in your hair obstructing your view. But finally, we've got a full bun, and believe me, it is as messy as it gets. On top of being a messy bun itself, we're gonna make it a little loose by giving a little pull to all the hair strands. And we're gonna give the final touch by bringing out the flicks. By the way, if you also love how the flicks give a really dynamic look to every hairstyle, I've made a dedicated video for that as well. Link on the top right corner. And of course, we've taken a look at both half and full buns today. I'm sort of satisfied now, but still I am gonna share with you one last hairstyle that does not fit in the carefree category 100%, but still it looks really good. And while we are used to making half up, half down buns, this is actually a quarter up, half down bun. And you guessed it, with the addition of flicks around the hairline. But I'd like to thank you guys for allotting me a huge amount of your precious time. And if you liked watching all this, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And also there's the Alpha Army Discord server waiting for you in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.